I do a quick video on bark and bugs. So you can see here some bark was left on this wood when it was cut, and you can see where the bugs got into it big time, and on this side also. But notice when you look at this edge, they really didn't go very far into the wood. So often you can take that off. You can see no sign of any bugs getting through here. So I did use this part of the wood. But just shows you need to, they really like the bark area and the layers next to, I think, Cambrian layer. I don't know, I should have looked that up before I said that, but that's where the fast growth is, or the growth is growing in the tree, and that's the wood they like the best. So they'll go after that in most cases. So another thing to look out for, I use a lot of cutoffs, and you get some good stuff and you get some bad stuff. And so like in this case, I'll probably take just this part and this will burn. But one of the things to watch out for is knots. And in most cases, I'm not going to use a knot like this. And if I don't, the good thing, I cut it off here, get rid of it right away. Because if I'm ripping this board and I go through that knot, these pieces can fly at you. And they're kind of a safety hazard. So I'd like to get rid of them when I know I'm not going to be using. If I was going to use this part of the board, then I might leave it on until I do that. But in this case, I'm taking it off right now. Okay, so other than that, we've been working on the stairs. And we've put quite a few pieces on. This is another set of pieces ready to go. It's coming along really good. I have a few more pieces to make, a couple long ones. And I'll do another video on the stairs because I have much more to say about that. But just to let you know, it's underway and we're moving forward. And look, we got a little cucumber here, black walnut, some cherry, some white ash, some white oak. So we're trying to get a good variety in here. Here's some maple. We even got a little kind of little bird's eye there. I don't think it's not really bird's eye. I don't think, but it doesn't look the same as bird's eye. Little knots, I guess, is what they are. Little character in this one too. This is some cucumber. Quite sure that's what it is. Cucumber, you get some green parts and some areas that are less green. Oh, this one's kind of neat here too. Well, like this has some cool grain to it. So I'm trying to pick out the cool. That's the good thing about cutoffs. You get sometimes you get more character in the wood because it's where the weird stuff was going on. So you end up getting kind of some cool grain. So we're going to start ripping this into, we're ripping it down close to 4-inch and then we're planing the edges so we don't have as much sanding to do. Okay, time to get the music on, get the dust mask on and get cutting.